That was a really good, spirited display by the Italians.
Great commentary too.
Superb, yeah. A great combination. A team in all respects, really. Weather's looking pretty good now for this guy to potentially get his good weather display, and we'll know straight away though from brakes off. If he goes straight into a vertical climb, he's going to do the full rolling. If however he stays low and does a 360 turn in front of you, then we'll be on the flat bad weather one.
And a noisy display, so maybe we've got just